Hello and welcome to this how to use Quizlet for a digital assessment. So again, we just want to open up our Quizlet browser. Okay, and you'll see that I've got my little free account set up here. So what we need to do is, now you are allowed a certain amount of test functions with the free version. However, as of October, at the time that this video was recorded, they've sort of paywalled a variety of practice test functions. But you can study with flashcards, okay, which is good. You can also, bear with me while this loads, you can also set learn functions as well. Okay. And as we saw in workshops 1 and 3 of the recent series, you have the flashcard function. The flashcard function that you can use for pre-teaching, or you can elicit during class. And then you have the Quizlet Live, which is probably the most common game form that you can use, and you can place these in individuals or teams. Okay, and then you have a QR code there and a code. Okay, and then that's a fun sort of live game. In the paid versions, you can click on View Class Progress. This is paywall though, so $47.99 a year. But you know, if a number of teachers are using it, then it may be worth the investment. So yeah, probably the easiest and the most common. And don't forget that you can share all of these functions as well. Probably the easiest and most common way of producing what would be best placed as a formative assessment would be the Quizlet Live function. So, and a sort of fun, low stakes, interactive, friendly in terms of its competitive nature setting. Okay, so I hope you found the how to use Quizlet as a digital assessment video useful, and I wish you luck using this in your different teaching contexts.